In this video, we'll show you how to use the Access panel to provide users access to the BIMcloud and ArchiCAD teamwork projects. In this example, we'll show how to grant access to projects using the simplified management mode. Users can view or modify content only if they have previously received permissions to do so. Permissions are granted to users via the Access panel of any content item, or via the management role pop-up located in the user's personal settings. Let's open the Projects page and display the Access panel. As you can see, there are no users or groups who were granted access to the project folders or projects. This means that nobody is able to sign in to these projects. The only exception is Yamada, who has a server administrator management role. Please note, only the project and server administrators are able to sign in the projects without granting access on the Access panel. Now, let's see how to join a BIMcloud teamwork project from an ArchiCAD client. Activate the Teamwork, Project, Open or Join Teamwork Project menu command. The user Yamada can see this hierarchical folder structure and join all of the projects. If we select another user, a warning dialog appears informing us that we don't have adequate permission to view projects or folders in the BIMcloud. Click OK, and please notice that the projects folder is empty. Let's switch back to the BIMcloud Manager. Select the project root and enter anyone with the default role to grant access to the main folder. You can also select custom or other defined roles from the list. The default role means that everybody will use their own default role as defined in their personal settings. For example, architect, lead architect, and so on. Click Save. In the Navigator, all folders and projects inherited their previously defined access settings, as defined by the project root. Let's return to ArchiCAD. From now on, every user can join all projects. Please note that those users whose default role is set to Not Set cannot join in spite of the fact that they have everyone access. Let's see another example. Delete everyone access from the project root. Select the Wasabi Club project in the Navigator. On the Access panel, first add RT with the default role. Then also add Harjit with the lead architect role. This way we can grant access to both users for the Wasabi Club project. In the ArchiCAD client, RT and Harjit will be able to see the Wasabi Club project only. All other projects and folders will be hidden from them. Other users without access will not be able to join any projects. If multiple projects and folders are selected in the Navigator, the Access panel will not list existing and new access definitions. Let's grant the default role to the Render Specialist group for the Sushi Bar project, and also to the Education folder. This will be applied to all of the selected content items for which you have Modify Access permission. So both for the Sushi Bar as well as for the Katori Center projects, access will be granted. The Katori Center project inherited this access from its parent folder, which is the Education folder.